We got the rally. What's next? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, November the 2nd. And of course, we've said for the last 4 or 5 days, there's a big rip your face off rally coming. And sure enough, it came. So now what? Well, I think now you want to look to be a seller of all these rallies and find resistance levels that you can live with and make sure you use a good exit point, a good stop point in case you're wrong. But I would say that it would be no surprise to me, even if these markets failed today. Now, we're up pretty big, so it's a big stretch. But I wouldn't be surprised. And as we look at it across the board, we are short across the board. Markets are up across the board. Okay. Crude oil is higher. We are short. Gold and silver are both higher. We are long. Euro currency is exploding higher with the Bank of England not doing anything. And we are still short. Bonds and notes are charging higher. We're still short both of those. By the way, I'd be a seller of those at any time. In the meantime, the crude oil, natural gas is lower. We are short. The dollar is lower. We would be long. Bitcoin is higher. We're long. Copper is higher. We are short. In the grain markets, we are short across the board. They're mixed right now, with beans being slightly higher, corn and wheat on both sides of unchanged. Cattle is higher. Hogs are higher. We'd be short cattle, long hogs. In the softs, cocoa is higher, we're long. Cotton is flat, we're short. Sugar is lower, we're long. OJ is lower, we're short. And coffee is higher, and we are long. Look, again, there's not that much action. You got jobs tomorrow, so that could mute some of the action today. Just be careful out there. Make sure you know where your exit is if you get in. But I would say that these markets are going lower, and the tops are now in once again. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, and of course our high school program, scrolling on the sides and on the bottom. And tonight's football game, we were 5 over for our last 5. But tonight, if I'm going to play it, it would be Pittsburgh on the money line, but it's a really lousy game. So probably better to pass. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.